Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Google Play Store on Windows. You can install on Windows 11 and Windows 10 or any Windows you have. Open a browser, any browser you have or you want. Click in this dot or Google app. Click on Play Store or Google Play. Click in this three dot. Scroll down. Click on save and share. Here we need to create shortcut. If you don't find this shortcut here, you can find from more or you can find from save and share. Click on create shortcut. Check this option. Click on create. Yes. Close your browser or minimize your browser. Close this app. Look, we have this Play Store here. Open this Google Play Store. Here we have search. Search any app you want or any game. For example, I want to install this game. Just right click here, then click on copy link address. After that, open your browser. Type here apk pure, then hit enter. Open this first link. Paste your link here, then click on search. You will find this game here also. Look, it is here. Click on download. Scroll down. Click in this download APK. It is 392 megabyte. It will download for me after 55 minutes. If you want to find other app, search here. For example, I want to download calculator also. Copy the link of your app. Just right click on your app, copy the link address, come back to this site, paste your link here, then hit enter. You will see this app here. Click in this download APK. Scroll down. Look, here is this APK. Click on download. Now we have two apps here. It will download soon. Again, open new tab. Type here smart gaga. Then hit enter. Open this first link. It is smart gaga. Click in this download. Now scroll down. This app is 286 megabyte. Download this app or this software. It will download for me after 20 minutes. Now it is done for me. Follow this step. Open this PC. Open download. Here is smart gaga. Click on smart gaga. Double click here. Here ask you, do you want to allow this app? Maybe this message is not appear for you. In this step, click on this yes. Click on next. Again, click I agree. Click on install. It will take a few moments to install this app. Now the installation is finished. Here is the installation is complete. Click on finish. This step will start after installation. Now we successfully install Smart Gaga. Open this PC, open download. Look, here is this game. Press F2, select your app, press F2, copy this name. Again, come back here, click on this APK. Look, here is right, like and subscribe. I'm joking. Click on this APK. After that, select download. Paste your file name here, then click on open. Look this message, Smart Gaga installing APK. It will take a while. The installation is done. Guys, let's work with this app. From here we can minimize our app, and also we can maximize our app, and also we can close. From here you can full screen your app. With escape you come back. Here we have keyboard. You can fix your keyboard if you play some game like PUBG. From APK you can insert your app, or you can insert any app you want. You can increase your volume sound and also decrease your volume. Here is capture screen. It means you can get a screenshot. From here you can add multi-screen. It means you can add 2 or 3 Smart Gaga. Look, here we have 2 Smart Gaga like this. You can add 2. Here is our GPS setting. Here we have this setting. Leave the setting as default. Now we have 2 apps. Guys, let's install other app also. Open this PC, download. We download this app also, or this game. Copy this name, come back. You can install on any of them you want. For example, I want to install with this one. Click in this APK, click and download. Here paste your app name, click on open. The installation is start. Wait a while again. Again, the installation is done. Click here. Look, we installed this 2 apps. Click any of them you want, open one of them. Now it's loading for us. I don't know what's this app or this game. I don't know really. Next, what it means. Guys, like this you can install any app or any game you want, and also you can use Play Store directly from this app. Click in this Play Store, enter your email address, then click on next. You can use Play Store directly also. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.